Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. I'm Safia from Polytechnic Muadzam Shah. So, we start our discussion today by asking one question. How we going to connect this smartphone into this laptop? Today, we will discover how the internet works. So before the emergence of technology and devices, people or humans communicate with various methods. For example, they use a pigeon post to carry a message, or they use a smoke signal to transfer a news or to gather people in the common area. Over the years, technology has significantly changed the way people communicate. So nowadays, most of the people, they communicate by using the internet. Okay, let's talk about how the internet works. As we know, before we send a letter to our friend in different country, we need to write a detail about the address and the postcode. So it's again, same goes to the internet. Internet, they need information about the receiver and the sender before the data can be sent. So the question is, what kind of information the internet needs? Yes, you are right. The answer is IP address. Now, let's talk about IP. What is IP? IP is a combination between internet and protocol. IP address is a numerical label assigned to each of the devices, such as smartphone and also computer, before it can be communicated. So the IP address has been used since 1995 until now, 2015. Can you imagine? We have using the internet protocol for almost 20 years. So nowadays, the IP address exhaustion has decreased the supply. If the IP address is running out of number, how are we going to connect the PC and other devices to the internet? Or maybe we only can use the gadget in a standalone mode, or by using LAN only. So how are we going to solve it? The analogy is like this. Starting from April 2010, the deputy officer said, we are running out of the plate number, so we need to change the format. So before this, we are using the format WNT 5037, but after this, we will use the format W5037B. So its same goes to the IP address. If the IP address version 4 is running out or decrease the number of supply, we have to use the IPv6. That's our new protocol, which is more secure and more space to the end user. So actually, it's about 128 bits. Yes, it's about 340 undecillions. Wow! With this huge of amount of IP in the future, our internet technology not only in our PC or our smartphone, but it can be in a wide range in the thing that we can't imagine. For example, we can implement our IP in our car wiper. How we want to implement the IPv6 in the car wiper. Okay, for example, in a certain area, for example in Muadzam Shah, we attach the IPv6 in the car wiper about 100 car in Muadzam. So on that day, if the satellite detect the wiper has been on by the driver for almost 100 car, so we can assume that in Muadzam Shah is a raining day. So can you imagine? So, there are many great things come with this kind of technology. So, how it will help e-learning in TVET? It is easy. We can use 100% online module, online training, online assessment, and online working environment by using this type of technology. When we're looking at the other countries such as Finland, South Korea, United States of America, and the nearest one, Singapore, they have been used this kind of technology to make the education level more higher than other countries.